Okay. Okay. Oh. Okay. 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 I'm hungry.
Breakfast. Hoş geldin.
Stop. Stop. Hello. No. No.
You want food?
A lo que yo vine fue a esto.
She was a fairy.
Pijamını niye bağırıyordun ya? Kaç kişiydiler?
It's not like he's not overeating. I know that. Look at.
Hi, my name is Erin. I use she, her pronouns, and I'm
License and registration. You're messing with the wrong guy.
Shut up.
She loves you, Avery. That's so cute. Avery, that's actually so. Bagel, no, Bagel.
We're besties. This one's mean as fuck.
In nomine Patri.
Oh my god!
Gigi. Aww.
Oh.
Aslan.
Oh. I'm just trying to pet you. Hello? Oh.
There you go.
Okay.
His meow is so cute.
I can record the toe beans. You ain't gotta look at me like that.
Bro, stop!
Did you just do that by himself?
Yep.
Climbing that mountain, getting to the top. I'm taking my time, but I ain't gonna stop singing. Hey, yeah, hey, yeah. The tide is getting high, but I ain't gonna drown. I float right to the top if you try to hold me down, singing. Hey.
Where there's a will, there's a way, even if it involves dragging an umbrella around. Dobby is a free elf now, but apparently my socks are not.
Wait.
When your roommate forgets you're not a dog. Back up a paw, buddy. Your friend convinces you to do something crazy. When your dog's workout routine just hits a bit different. Let's go to the mall for new pants. You know, if you don't work hard, you'll be sleeping with a hungry belly. Puppy, I never thought I'd say this, but this chicken is relentless. My dog's social interaction skills in a nutshell, one step at a time. Oh, looks like these dogs don't want their human to go to work tomorrow. That's bold. Introducing the Doggo Water Bar, open 24/7.
Turn up. Ya turn up.
Since Doggo has a natural fur coat, the cold never bothers him anyway. Let it cold. Let's all walk around like every day is Sunday. Me diving into the Black Friday sale. This is all the downward I need after a long day at work. Being a professional beggar is pretty exhausting. My dog after years of dealing with his hyperactive siblings. Behold, the Houdini of leashes, because leashes are just a suggestion. I asked my dog if the guy's a red flag.
Okay.
You're a houseplant detective and the only suspect is furry. What should you do? He made his mother search in worry, but it was part of his plan. When the puppy's teething and everything is a chew toy. My dog returning from a successful foraging expedition. Smart people also have times when their brains take a rest.
誰が多いんだよ。